My name's Phil Martin. I'm born and raised in Cardiff and I live in Cardiff. I was diagnosed with bowel cancer following a regular routine bowel cancer check. So I was sent immediately for a pre-op assessment, blood pressure, etc. Then from the pre-op assessment I was sent to the prehabilitation unit where they ran various tests which became quite important later on after I'd undergone the prehab treatment. And they recommended a course of circuit training. It's important to be proactive in your health. It's not to become a victim of the illness, just to take charge of the illness. And in going to the prehab, it felt like I was taking control of the situation. I wasn't just being a passive participant. I understood that the circuit training would increase my health, and that it's obviously going to be a good thing under any circumstances, let alone pre-operative. And they told me the reasons for doing it would be to increase fitness, and I agreed with it and thought it was a good idea. In fact, I intended to carry on afterwards, but I haven't. We just did about an hour's circuit training twice a week, various exercises from sort of weightlifting sort of exercises with dumbbells and walking, the farmer's walk. You have as heavy a weight as you can carry and you walk around several times, and various other limiting up exercises. So I was able to do the full circuit. Some of the older people had a sort of reduced version of the circuit training. I think, yeah, people could do what they to their ability really. Some of us were fitter than others, and others were less fit, and they were helped and encouraged as much as they could. It was pretty straightforward. I just walked in the nearest bus stop on Cowbridge Road and caught the bus up to Wheelie, and the bus stop's right outside Western Leisure Centre. So, I mean, it did take a bit of a while to do it. You know, the journey I did about an hour circuit training and an hour travelling, but I was in work at the time, so I was quite happy to take the time out. Even after like 6 sessions, my stamina levels had increased. I did the walking test, and the number of steps I made in the designated time period increased substantially, perhaps about 20% more. It's always good to see progress. At the end, at the full stop at the end, you think, oh yeah, that was worthwhile. The medical staff, the surgeon, they were quite surprised at my speed of recovery. And I was discharged from hospital a bit early. Even now I still feel the benefit, you know, from the exercises, the squats especially. Yeah. Probably even if you're a regular gym goer, you probably just want to carry on with your regime. But if you're not a gym goer, if you don't do any forms of organised exercise, then yes, it is good.